I miss it every day.
Galing mo actor.
Sayang.
10 years.
10 years din. Ang tagal
10 years.
pala.
Kasi I had to quit Half Sisters a year before filing of candidacy. So yung huli kong work as artista was Half Sisters. Now ako lang naman, diskarte ko lang yung wala mo ng showbiz, desk work, tapos ng masteral, legislation, mambabatas, charot.
Seryoso ka lang.
Charot, diba? Although, ano yun, it was my choice to run my office, to manage it. Walang alter ego, walang chief of staff. I prepared everything, departmentalized my office as city councilor. So ako nagpatakbo ng lahat, no. So every now and then probinsyano would call, GMA would call, I had to decline. So ang point ko lang, I had to be present in every flag ceremony, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. type of work. Desk work lang, walang workout, walang gym, obvious ba? Obvious ba? So, very, very fulfilling. Although I miss showbiz every day. I miss the craft. I miss yung the world of make-believe.
Ano po magpapabalik sa inyo sa showbiz? I mean, anong project yung tatanggapin nyo kahit short lang para lang makita ulit kayong umacting?
I did a stint of 4 or 5 episodes for Call My Manager.
Yung HBO
Balitaan nyo
series.
nga ako nung nangyari.
Later this year daw.
Later this year, nice.
Iyo ba yun?
So I played a bandido. Ang dami kong peg eh. Parang Al Pacino, salbahe. Robert De Niro, salbahe. Masaya. So, ano siya, it was a very powerful character, very powerful man, politician, na ano talaga, medyo demonyito. So, it was fun. So, meron akong isang ganyan na warm up. I'm looking at, I'm actually more excited with production, producing, warm up, ganyan. Yung pag-artista, I'd rather do it physically prepared. If you notice, yung kulay ng buhok ko, aluminum na.
Salt and pepper.
Aluminum ang hair. A few wrinkles here and there. Weight. So I have to address a few issues with my physique.
When will we
And
get to see that?
I don't know how my body would react. I wanted to join the recent bench fashion show, kaya lang isip pa lang. Di pa ready yung katawan.
In-invite ka ba nila?
Yes, I was really invited. So nabigyan naman kami ng mga ticket.
Goma was
Exciting. Goma is always there. We're doing our own fashion show here in Okada. So sometime Burmans, we're launching a new one. So I would love Bench to be part of it also. So sariling production na natin.
Kaya ang dali naman magpakulay ng hair. Ayaw mo magpakulay.
Mahirap magpapayat.
Yes. Ilan ba ang dapat bawasin?
Andiyan naman si Celeste. Andiyan naman si Celeste Tubiera kahit anong kulay ng buhok
Ilan ang
pwede.
dapat bawasin sa weight?
Takot ako magtimba. Pagalitan ako ng doktor ko. Awa ng Diyos, wala naman akong mga maintenance pa.
Wow.
Although, yeah, syempre, I'm half a century old.
Talaga, 50 na?
I'm half a century old, so Yung ano lang, syempre I feel meron ako mga nararamdaman. So together with yung preparation pag-aartista, yung I think I still have a few good years to
Why not?
compete
Yes, of course.
compete as a race car driver. So sabay yan.
Okay.
So merong body preparations, body and mind and soul. So syempre karera. So artista, same na. Sabay
Kailan ka
na.
nag-50, John?
Turning 50 August.
August. Wala ka maintenance, sabi mo.
Wala pa, walang Diyos.
Check ka ba?
I take I
Okay.
take ginseng, I take all these vitamins. I have an eye condition, I take stem cells for it.
Stem cell?
I take stem cell treatment for my eyes. Abby is preparing stem cell treatments for me too. So far okay naman. Awa ng Diyos. Praise the Lord.
Pero John, you will not be in politics in the coming election, right?
No, not as a candidate.
Yes.
I'll be there as a supporter.
Mhm.
After this midterm election, I'm planning on mag-a-apply for appointments on a national level. I'm ready for any position. Come 2028, we'll see what I can do to contribute. Basic naman lagi ang aking advocacy at saka platforms. Number one, it's always been road safety. So when we promote motorsports, we promote road safety. So number one yan in my list. Number two is disaster risk reduction. We have delivered 20,000 fire extinguishers in the whole district of Parañaque, in the first district. So the plan is for Abby to continue it. No? So you could just imagine, kunyari, 50,000 fire extinguishers in one district. So actually nabawasan na talaga yung mga sunog namin in our district kasi may panlaban na eh. May panlaban. It's a full kit with whistle and flashlight, and anybody can carry it. So for the longest time nabawasan kami ng big na mga ganyan. So among others ganyan, and kami yung proponent ng no contact policy with the traffic. I felt so bad when Supreme Court decided to lift it, but in the beginning it was really good.